Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. We are learning compound letters. Although this lesson is about compound letters, but keep in your mind, this is very important that your pronunciation of each letter should be correct. So be focused on your pronunciation as well. Let's start our lesson. You have to follow me and try to read like me. Noon, kha, ya, ha, ba, jim, ja, mim, ba, mim, noon, mim, ta, mim, tha, mim. Remember, ta is a soft letter. Yes, you have to pronounce it softly. Ta, mim, ba, ja, 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 noon, ja, ta, ja, tha, ja, noon, ba, lam, ta, noon, lam, ba, ja, lam, ja, ta, lam, ta, ta, lam, noon, ba, noon, ba, noon, noon, ta, ja, noon, ja, ta, noon, tha, ta, noon, jim, ha, kha, ha, fa, kha, ba, jim, ta, ta, ha, ta, ya, jim, ba, ba, kha, ta, ta, ha. This is another shape of ta. We call it round ta. Yes, remember, this is a round ta. This is simple ta and this one is a round ta. Ba, ta, round ta. Yes, this is round ta. Ja, ha, ta, ha, noon, ta. Again, round ta. Ha, ja, ha, ba, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, mim, dal, dal, jim, dal, kha, dal, ra, za, jim, ra, kha, za. Okay, and remember, green color is for bold letters. Yes, green color is for bold letters. So whenever a letter comes in green color, it means you have to pronounce it with heavy sound, with full mouth. Yes. Okay, keep reading. Ra, za, ja, ra, ta, za, sin, shin, sin, lam, shin, lam, sad, dad, ta, za, sad, ba, ta, ba, dad, alif, za, alif, ain, ghain, hamza, ain, za. This is ain, not hamza. Although it looks like hamza, but keep in your mind that hamza never attach with next letter. Yes, hamza never attach with next letter. So whenever a letter looks like hamza, but it is attached with next letter, it means that is not hamza, but ain. Yes, this is ain. As I told you, usually we use the first half of every letter when we connect it with next letter. So here we are using this part of ain. Okay, keep reading. Ghain, ra, sad, ain, dad, ghain, ba, ain, dal, ta, ghain, dal, hamza, hamza, hamza. Yes, sometimes in Quran Pak, hamza is written on the top of alif, sometimes on the top of waw, and sometimes on the top of ya. All these three conditions, the letter under hamza does not matter. So you don't need to read that letter. You just have to read hamza. Yes. So letter under hamza doesn't matter. Fa, qaf, waw, qaf, waw, fa, waw, fa, qaf, lam, qaf, fa, lam, ya, fa, mim, mim, ha, mim, lam, mim, ta, mim, ta, mim, ta. So that was all for compound letters. So after listening or taking this lesson, you should be able to identify each letter. If your identification is not correct yet, you have to take this lesson again and again. And after this lesson, just to check, you should open the Quran Pak. You should open Quran Pak and ask from yourself, or if you are teaching your kid, then ask from your kid about the letters. If you can identify the letters, then it means you are able to identify. And remember, identification and pronunciation both should be correct. That's all for this lesson. We'll see you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.